So then guys, I've managed to get hands on with the brand new MacBook Neo. I'm actually using the iPhone here, doing the dual recording. Good opportunity to use it, but here it is. So you're seeing me and we're seeing the new MacBook. This is the new color, sage color. It looks absolutely awesome. This is a yellow. Let me get a bit more closer for you guys. Have a look. It looks amazing. The keyboard is white, as you can see. And then obviously we've got a massive big trackpad there and everything. We've got a nice big 13-inch display. And then obviously on the side of this, we've got two USB-C ports. Down the bottom here, we've actually got the headphone port. And then we've also got a speaker. And then on the other side, we also have the other speaker here. There's no MagSafe or anything, but to be honest, for the price, it's coming here in the UK for £599. So that's really, really good value. I'm not quite sure what the US dollars is yet. I haven't checked it yet, but I think it's going to be $599 US dollars. But it's crazy. You've got Touch ID. You've got this lovely, magic keyboard and everything. The display is gorgeous as well. I just want to show you on here. Obviously, yeah, it does have 8 gigabytes of RAM if you wanted to know. A18 Pro on that. And if I click on more information for you guys, and obviously we scroll down, get a little bit of a system report and everything, you can see obviously that the hardware is this 8 gigabytes of RAM, everything like that. What's absolutely amazing. We've also got the battery and everything, and I absolutely love it. Do you want to have a look at the back of it as well? So we've also got the back. Let me just close this down. So if I just fling this round for you guys, we've got the classic Apple logo. We've got it in this color. The other thing I want to do is I just want to pick it up for you guys. Just going to turn up the brightness a bit more, but let's have a look. This is really, really nice and light, actually. Definitely lighter than the MacBook Air. It feels really, really good and everything. So I just want to close it down and show you guys. That's what it looks like from the sides, from the back there. Also the sides there. And just in case you want to know how warm is it on the back, it's cold, absolutely cold. I can't feel any heat kind of problems. I like that these are also color integrated as well. The feet here, that's really, really awesome. And yeah, it looks absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to get my hands on one of these to review for you guys. It comes in other colors too. There's a blue color here as well. There's also a pink color and there's a silver color. Those are the options. I really like this yellow, and I also really love the blue color. I love how the keyboard works. And if you notice here, the keyboard has got a slight tinge of yellow on it. And if you look right here, you can see it's slightly blue as well on the actual keys. It's a nice touch what Apple have done here. And I think for the price and for who this is going to be for, it's going to be great. Apple have even said this MacBook, who it's for, is for people who are first coming to the Apple family, who want to get a MacBook for the very first time. It's also for people who, do not need a powerful MacBook. Maybe you've got a really old MacBook that's like 10 years old, you want to get a new one, can't afford to spend that a lot. This is a great model for it. Who this MacBook's not for, it's not designed for people who are using, say, Final Cut Pro, or it's for people using, say, Logic Pro. It's not for that. You can obviously use the likes of iWorks, that's a good family to use. GarageBand is a good choice as well. The likes of, say, iMovie, this would be perfect for this. Running AI apps and cloud apps, perfect device for this. The other thing I've been told is the battery life on this is up to 16 hours with it. So again, this is absolutely incredible. I am super excited, like I said, to do a full-on review with you. But for now, this is the new MacBook Neo. And yeah, I cannot wait to get my hands, do a full-on more review for you, compare it to the likes of the MacBook Air and things like that. But yeah, definitely check it out. You'll be able to pre-order it now, which is really, really exciting. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, please do press the like button. And as always, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.